How to add product filtering in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will exactly show you on how to do this. Now, product filtering is a really useful feature where your customers can go ahead and make the shopping experience better by having the product filtering on your store. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and look at Nike right here. And the product filtering works really amazing for websites like this one. As you can go ahead and see, if I love something about yoga, I just go ahead and click on yoga, and it will then go ahead and filter out all of the products right here. Now, going back to our Shopify store, it's relatively simple to put right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and put it through a theme, or if you cannot go ahead and use a theme one, we can then go ahead and use a third-party application. Now, first things first, you want to navigate through your themes right here, and inside you can just go ahead and click on customize. Now, inside customize, you want to make sure that your specific theme has the ability to put those product filtering features. Now, let's just go ahead and scroll down, and from here we want to make sure that we have those available on our theme. And so if you don't have the product filtering in your store right here, you can then go ahead and use a third-party application in order to import the feature. But if you have the product filtering integrated with your themes, then you are good to go. You can just go ahead and customize the product filtering straight from your theme. But to make everything easy, let's just head back to the Shopify main page right here. And inside, you want to go ahead and click on apps. Inside apps, you can just search for Shopify. And from here, it will then take us to the App Store of Shopify. You specifically want to go ahead and look for the Shopify Search and Discovery. It has 4.6 rating and it's free to install. So you can just go ahead and click on it. As you can see, a great shopping experience starts with a simple search and seamless discovery. You can customize search, filtering, and product recommendations so you can enhance your product's relevance and sell more. Use the Shopify Search and Discover app to deliver results for every search and increase average order value with customized recommendations. Now, to get started, you basically want to click on the install button, and we will be able to install the application into our Shopify store right here. Just wait for the page to load in, and right after, we will then be taken to the Search and Discover application. Now, you simply want to click on the Customize Filters, and from here, we then have all of our filters from our store. You want to click on Add Filter, click on Select Source, and from here, you can then go ahead and select the sources from your products. Now, we are going to add colors into our filters right here. So you want to click on it. From here, let's go ahead and select all of the colors, and you want to click on Save. Once again, you want to go ahead and add multiple searches or discoveries filters right here. So you want to click on the Customize Filters once more. Once inside, you can then go ahead and see all of the filters that we have made. Once again, click on Add Filters, click on Select Source, select the sources that you want to add. Let's just go ahead and click on Sizes. It will then go ahead and import every values that we have on our store, and you want to click on Save. Once again, click on Add Filter, select one of your sources, and from here, it will then go ahead and find the values. Now, what if it has presented you with this message right here that says no values found? It means that there are no values for this specific filter right here for category. And so if we change our source into something like brand, you can then go ahead and see all of the brands or vendors right here. Now, to go ahead and add value on your specific sources, you can just head back to your products right here. And inside, you want to go ahead and basically customize the product that you want to add a filter of. Now from here, you want to click on a specific product. And once inside, of course, we have the title of the product, you have your own description, and basically all of the products information right here. Once inside, you want to scroll down, and as you can go ahead and see, it will then go ahead and look for the variants. Go ahead and click on add variant if you want to add the sources that we have mentioned earlier. And from here, let's just go ahead and say that we want to add another variant into our store. Now, to add additional variants into our product, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on add variant. And from here, let's just say that you want to add an additional color. So all you have to do is to go ahead and put the color of that specific product. So let's just go ahead and say that I want to add blue. And from here, I want to add size 10. Go ahead and click on save variant. And it will now go ahead and import the variant into our variants right here. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and add your own image, the pricing, and the inventory for this specific variant. But what if you want to add an additional category? You want to head back to your products right here. And once inside, you then want to click on add another option. From here, we then have the option name. Let's go ahead and put something like gender. Now, once again, this is only an example. Of course, you can go ahead and put any category you want to. And from here, let's go ahead and add male and female. From here, you want to click on done. And we have managed to add a new option right here. And right after making those changes, you can just click on the save button. And going back to our applications, click on search and discovery. And from here, once again, you want to click on filters. Inside filters, we can now go ahead and add the gender for male and female by clicking on add filter. Click on source. And from here, you can then go ahead and see the additional options that you have made for your products. It will then go ahead and load our filters, which is male and female. And from here, you want to click on save. And so, as an additional feature of this application right here, you can then head over to the recommendations. And once inside, let's just say that a person wants to buy this product right here. So let's just go ahead and click on it. And right after, you want to click on add recommendations. Once inside, click on add products or select products. And when a person buys this specific product right here, it will then recommend this product to the person who bought this product. So you want to click on add, and it will now go ahead and have that feature. And so, I hope you will be able to use the product filtering on your store to its fullest potential. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.